playing the role of a 12th man. Shepherd straight away deep into the field and takes the time. That was Jade Steele. Couple of balls before that's calling time a good catch for.
You saw it. Ball earlier. This was done very nicely. He brushed it, just flicked it away using the angle. Looked to be a only problem was he was covering and taking and wanted needed to break one partnership, and it's 85 for 3.
Indies in Karakara. The only change the Bangladesh for today's game, replacing Blossom, and he too initiated himself in. Possibly thought he got enough on that, but it was a catch. He had dropped Bridai earlier, just off the best, and he does not make him a and the big stop was desperately made it, and the pressure back on. Yeah, brilliant catch, but it is a big part running forward, man. One that Bangladesh cannot afford right now. He's just a little man, got to that.
Indeed, and the new batter needs to do is give him support. They can explosive. His expansion going out of the line of trap target on side. Since the moment will be looked at.
Off the mark, Jackal. He's simply for the Bakshi fans last time when Jackal played in 2024 December. 7-2 not out on winning goals and scored 6 on the player match.
Good, maybe he might not win player of the match, but he did enough to make a team when the match was so important to level the season, having lost the first one. They need to win this one to keep up the interest and till the match. It's quite easy at the moment to go out the way. Next 2 or 3 overs, very crucial.
Certainly, the 12th man, the crowd is their job, Shafter Tanzir and the rest of the batters to get the job done for the home side. Slow ball. Oh, was an outside edge. Certainly, the ball gripped.
I think you got it. I thought that the sound, the slow delivery, 100 clicks. You see it again. Just rolling sound. Just on front of Shakio. Couldn't gauge the ball on that.
Length, the flow will be important. Another slow delivery. This is good, but ball didn't be still.
And very intelligently, not trust the ball to start off around the 132 marks, slowed down previous to delivery. Concentration on angle. Look at that. Slow delivery, not so easy with the ball being a little let to control. He does it to a nice
for the left. Not the batsman who I deep long on. Probably back of the left. Would be surprised if the third ball is going to be another slow delivery. It is. Next turn over, just a single from 13. 86 for
Shamim, Rashad, and Nasum at 6-1-8, and you got Tanzim, Hassan Shaki, who better in the last comment number 9. Still, a lot better to come. But I just feel this one of these players got to bat through. And in case tactically, Shamim, out tempted farm in the dugout of the Bangladesh side. In case the required rate goes up to 10 runs, won't be a bad idea for wicket falls. Get player Rashad Hussain in the license and make the maximum of his form actually in the road so
What's for we call does they does not want they want to take this right hand as a after poultry run with that recent past he wants in immense himself with a big innings here. I think Shameem's later to come in with a lot of confidence from previous game playing around Rishad Hussain, who can really club the ball about brilliant catches in the DS. I think he'll be one that should brought in before Shameem.
I'm not thinking out of the box, things that not being scared of taking risk, especially the ball just 3 months away. Whatever chances you take, got to be now and give a license to play like Rishad Hussain. And deep in play and drop it. That was the sit against he's the settled batter being off. Punching down inside.
Unbelievable. Catanese is up again. West Indies keep on drawing catches. There's another one. Short was playing with timing. It's 100 miles. How could you drop that? Easy. Oh, that can bite them.
Oh, beautiful ball. Lord has been very, very unlucky to be third over. Third, letting know that he's there. Illusions about the boundaries. When the ball is bowled well, got to time to respect it. Tanzim drop. Nathaniel on 44. Will that come and haunt the West Indians later on? Okay.
Just feel manages to get the batters into spots of trouble, and then the fielders just let down. So an easy catch drop today.
A catch plus 3 dot deliveries from this over so far. And Akhil Hussain finish with another good delivery. Change the field, short, mid-wicket, come short, fine leg. Trying to put the short fine leg with the paddle sweep of Dhakar Ali, who loves to if you run again, dot delivery from the floating cover, 88 feet.
That's how it stands at the moment. Bangladesh bowlers doing well to restrict the West Indies to 149. That when you over, but it's a tough 98 for 3 with 6 more to go. Required 3-3. Work done here by Bangladesh. Well, this is the Dutch Bangladesh series. Dutch Bangladesh is the first European joint venture bank Bangladesh. And apparently bank to Bangladesh customer trust and confidence through Trafford and bank.
Not sure, but both these are over. Bowlers being used. Shane protecting his bowlers very so far. The first ball comes down. And Shepherd with excellent points. Runs, pick up a single. The other ones that probably will haunt the winners later.
You catch drop. When it's drop catches matches. That's why they're in control. The amount of times they get the opportunity. The last one was one of the easiest goal and best thought bowler.
Spoke a lot about much wide field. I think it's all moments. Drop catches and any play in the world go through a phase where they'll drop a one or two catches. Having four catches dropped in 14 and 1 overs in a team game in a want to win a series, not on. Oh, shot finally he missed it. At the same time, shot the last shot. Did the Kazakh run to go big shot. Gets it top edge for a down.
He was so lucky. Zach Ravi twisting around. Didn't put he stopped. Missed again. Oh, and he stayed for a while. The ball here got his so lucky. 4 runs. Maybe this will get him on it. Still bog down and getting the runs. Open up now because he has an array of shots.
Yeah, the issue moment for Jack stump that is a big right. The line be outside the bump for Shepherd. Sure, Indians good at on their home. Gay Chakra, who likes first much more.
It makes it too obvious even last shuffling across to the offside. When the ball is outside the line of ball, you're cramped for space. You really can't free your arms and play to the offside. You're always targeted on sides. You'll have to improve that offside more than anything else.
Looking at his he's batting outside the yaw stump. Confirmation, covering stumps. India probably will be safe. Yeah. All falling in no man's land.
Well, Chappie, that's for sure. The miss it. It really didn't time it. If it timed it, that would have gone down the throat of the fielder. Not going down the throat of the fielder. Get catches days for the West Indies.
The use of the slow ball, the last point overs by Robin Rickard is very, very impressive. Talking about the probably not the other day on the first game. There was extent, honestly, that's something that they will be happy that there's no view. So the spinners and the fast bowlers can have a good grip, especially the fast bowlers with ball the slow ball into the pitch. Dry ball is that they're craving for. Delivery and calls the wide. Right, so
Just trying to bowl a wallish kind of outreach of the sun, but it's tough for Bangladesh. 10.31 runs required from now on. And the next 5 overs, they'll really turn it on. I think